Hi class, today we are going to read the book My Family Community by Bobby Coleman. This book looks at the ways that members of a family come together to form a community. Over the next month, we're going to be learning about communities. And one community that we work with every single day is your family community. My family is a community. A community is a group of people who live together and care for one another. There are 8 people in my family. Not all families are as big as mine. How big is your family community? Who are the people in your family? I'd like you to pause and think about your family community. Who do you live with? How big is your community? Maybe you're thinking about the family in your home or outside of your home, like down the street or in a different neighborhood. We share many things. My parents, grandparents, brother, and I share a home. We share rooms and furniture. We share our garden and swimming pool. What does your family share? I'm thinking about my family. We share the TV. We don't always agree on what to watch. But that's okay. That's what being a family is. We don't always agree. But we share it. We also share food. We share food together at the dinner table every night. What else do you and your family share? In this picture, it says, in the summer, we have barbecues in our backyard. We cook and clean up together. Caring for one another. Communities look after people. My family community looks after me. My parents feed me and buy me clothes. They take me to the doctor and dentist. Who cares for you? And do you care for anyone? I'm wondering, do you think pets are included in our community? Do you take care of your pets or your younger siblings? How we travel. People in communities travel. To travel is to go from one place to another. People travel in different ways. My parents drive to work in our car. Sometimes I go to school in a school bus. Sometimes I ride my bike to school. Do you and your family travel anywhere together? It could be far, it could be near. Where do you go as a family? Communities teach. Communities have schools, but my family also teaches me. My father is teaching me how to play chess. My mother is teaching me how to paint. What do you learn from your family? Working to earn money. My parents work to earn money to pay for our home and our car. They earn money to pay for food, clothes, and the other things we need. My father is a teacher at our school. My mother is a doctor at a hospital. Sometimes she works at night. My rules and jobs. Communities have laws or rules. I have to follow rules at home too. One of the rules is to do my jobs. I do these jobs to help myself and others. What are your rules and jobs? Do you have chores at home? Do you have jobs at your home that you can help your family with? Here are some examples of rules and jobs. Rules. Come right home after school. Go to bed at 8 o'clock. Watch only 1 hour of television a day. Be respectful to other people. And do something kind every day. These are jobs. Do my homework. Clean my room. Walk the dog. Help look after my little sister. Help the dishes. Take out the trash. What are your rules and jobs at home? Family communication. Communication is sharing information. My family shares information by talking. We talk to one another about problems. We share about what we did at school. We talk about our feelings and dreams. When we are out, we call home to let our family know where we are. Family history and culture. Communities have histories. Histories are stories about what happened long ago. My family has a history too. It also has a culture. Culture is how we live. It is the food we eat, the clothing we wear, and the ways we celebrate. Sometimes we wear special clothes when we celebrate our culture. Family fun. Communities are places to have fun. My family community has a lot of fun. What fun things does your family do? We go for long walks together. We sing and dance. We hug a lot. We play games. What kind of fun do you have with your family? I'd love to hear. All right, so if you read this book on Epic, you can click Finish the Book, and you can play a quiz. I recommend you do both. Well, thank you for reading this book with me. There is a follow-up activity on Schoology.